Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of augmented reality, or AR for short. If you've ever wondered what AR is, what types exist, and how it's being used in the real world, then stick around, because this is the video for you. Alright, first things first. What exactly is augmented reality? Simply put, Arkansas overlays digital information onto the real world. Unlike virtual reality, which immerses you in a completely digital environment, Arkansas enhances your current surroundings with digital elements. Imagine looking through your phone camera and seeing virtual objects interact with your physical environment. Cool, right? Now, there are 4 main types of AR you should know about. Let's break them down. First up, we have marker-based AR. This type uses a camera and a visual marker, like a QR code, to produce a result when the marker is sensed. For example, when you scan a QR code with your phone, it might display a 3D model or an animation. Next, we have markerless AR, also known as location-based AR. This one uses GPS, digital compass, and other location detection methods. Pokemon Go is a classic example here. You walk around in the real world, and the game uses your location to place virtual Pokemon for you to catch. The third type is projection-based AR. This one projects artificial light onto real-world surfaces. Think of it like a hologram. A great example is those interactive exhibits you see in museums, where information is projected onto artifacts. Lastly, we have superimposition-based AR. This replaces the original view with an augmented one. For instance, in medical applications, a doctor can see an augmented view of a patient's body with overlaid images of bones or organs, aiding in surgeries. Pretty fascinating stuff, right? But how is AR used in the real world today? Let me give you a few examples. In retail, apps like IKEA Place allow you to see how furniture will look in your home before you buy it. Just point your camera at the spot where you want the new chair or table and voila! You'll see a digital version of the furniture right there in your room. In education, Arkansas is transforming how students learn by bringing subjects to life. Imagine studying astronomy and being able to see a 3D model of the solar system right on your desk. That's possible with AR. Even in navigation, apps like Google Maps use AR to overlay directions and information right onto your real-world view, making it easier to find your way. So, there you have it. An introduction to augmented reality, its main types, and some real-world examples of how it's being used today. AR is not just a futuristic concept, it's already here, transforming the way we interact with the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.